Hi, this video will show you how to quickly set up Indecall. Indecall is a simple way to auto-dial from your browser. Click on the call icon in Indecab and your connected phone will dial the number automatically. To get started, download the Indecall Android app from the Google Play Store. Open the app and enter your office phone number. An OTP verification should take place automatically. Once that is done, make sure you allow all the permission requests. Your office phone is now set up. Go to your Indecab login. Go to the Masters, click on Employees, and set your office phone number in the Indecall settings. Click on Set up Indecall. Done. You're ready to start making calls now. Go to the Duties section and go to any duty which has the call icon. Click on one of the phone numbers to automatically dial from the Indecab web application to the Indecall mobile application on your phone. Once that is done, you will be able to see a call activity in the activity log. We hope you have fun using Indecall.